What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download XBMC on Android as well as show you a demonstration of how it works. So you could pretty much download XBMC on pretty much any Android device. It doesn't matter if it runs on a x86 chip or a ARM chip. For this demonstration I'm going to be using a Kindle Fire HD 7-inch running CyanogenMod 11, which is pretty much based off Android 4.4.2. Your device does not have to be very powerful. It will pretty much run on any Android device. So let's get started. Go to your preferred web browser of choice and type in this URL xbmc.org/download. Now go to settings, go to security and enable unknown sources. Now go to the download section. You could use your file explorer of choice. I'm using ES File Explorer and we're gonna install XBMC. So go through the process. It will take you about a minute. Now you have XBMC. The first time you boot into XBMC, it should take you about a minute. Now I'm going to show you how to enable AirPlay as well as other remote services. So go to settings, then services, and go to AirPlay and turn that on. I'm also turning on several other stuff that allows me to use other device as a remote for XBMC. So now I'm going to give you a demonstration of AirPlay. So I'm using an iPod Touch 5G for this, and I'm going to use MCTube. MCTube is pretty much a YouTube client. So go to your YouTube player and press the AirPlay icon, and it will give you two options, which is the iPod Touch and the XBMC. And once you press that, you're gonna see the video playing on the Android device. So that's very cool. So now the iPod is pretty much a remote. You could play or pause the video and that will react on your Android device. And you could also play your music collection from your iPod to the XBMC. So as you could see, I have a music playing on my iPod, and since the AirPlay mode is on, it's automatically playing it on the Android device. I have pretty much the full control of the music through my iPod. I could pause or play. It sometimes takes a little bit of time before it actually pauses on the XBMC. You could also use your iPod as a remote for the XBMC. There is an app called SYBU that allows you to use your iDevice as a remote. There's alternative to the Android, so you could pretty much do the same thing. Now you could see I am controlling the Android device using my iDevice. That's really cool. Now we're going to take it one step further. We're going to connect the Android device to our TV, essentially making the Android device into a home media center. The Kindle Fire has a micro HDMI cable, so I could buy a micro HDMI to a HDMI converter, which cost about $1 on eBay, and pretty much connect my Kindle to a TV. If you don't have a micro HDMI connector, you could buy an MHL adapter, which will pretty much turn the micro USB port into a HDMI. Now you could see I'm using my iDevice to control the XBMC. So this works really well. There is pretty much no input lag when you're using a iDevice as a remote. You could also use a Android device to do the same thing. So now we could play music through our iDevice. If you have a surround system, this is pretty much perfect. So as you could see, it's playing the song that's going through my iPod to the Android device, which is then going to the HDMI cable to the TV. We could also play a YouTube video and it will show up on the big TV. So that's pretty much all. Thanks for watching. I really recommend that if you have an Android device that's lying around not doing anything, you could turn that into a media center. You could also do the same thing to an old laptop and connect to your TV and use it as a media center PC. Thanks for watching.